I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix Siri not responding to voice commands on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Scroll down the menu and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Step 3. Look for the Siri Requests section in this menu and then tap Talk and Type to Siri in this section. Ensure that you have selected the option for either Siri or Hey Siri or Hey Siri, depending on what your device supports. If it is set to off, Siri will not listen for your voice. Step 4. If the setting is already enabled but Siri still isn't responding, toggle the setting off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This will force your device to go through the Siri voice setup process again, which can recalibrate the microphones to your device. Step 5. Go back to the Apple Intelligence and Siri menu and look for the Allow Siri when locked toggle switch. Make sure this switch is toggled on. If this feature is turned off, Siri will completely refuse to respond to voice commands whenever your device screen is locked. Alternatively, if Siri still isn't responding after checking your settings, the issue might be caused by your physical environment or a temporary software bug. First, make sure your iPhone or iPad isn't facing face down on a surface, as devices are programmed to automatically disable voice triggers when the screen is covered to save battery. You should also ensure that your case or lint isn't blocking the microphones located near the top earpiece and at the bottom of the device. If everything looks clean, give your device a quick restart by holding down the power button and volume down button, sliding to power off, and then turning it back on after a minute to clear out any frozen background processes. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.